Hi everyone, in this video, we will learn about a great scalping strategy with a win rate of 80-90%, which is proven and gives very high profits, provided that you learn and practice it and master it to earn a lot of profits. This strategy is effective in all financial markets. It is a multi-time frame strategy and we need 1 minute and 5 minute time frames. In this strategy we work with RSI indicator. Add to the chart from the indicators section. This indicator is a combination of RSI and Heikin-Ashi candles. The indicator is not accurate by default. Therefore, we will make more detailed changes in order to have a good yield. A common mistake among novice traders is that they open a position when only the color of the candles changes. For example, when it changes from red to green, they open a long position, while it is completely wrong. I will explain this strategy to you step by step on the chart so that you can understand it better. First, we go to the time frame of 5 minutes. In the indicator, when the RSI line is at the floor or ceiling and the color of the candles changes, it warns us to be ready to trade. If the RSI line is at the ceiling and the color of the candles changes from green to red, it is a bearish signal. And if the RSI line is at the bottom and the color of the candles changes from red to green, it is a bullish signal. In these two cases, we open short and long positions. So, you understand that in the 5 minute time frame, these areas in the indicator are important and we mark them. Then, in the continuation of the work, we go to the time frame of 1 minute. And take a long or short position depending on the status of the indicator in these areas and manage the transaction. For example, in this area, the RSI line is on the ceiling and the color of the candles changes from green to red. We go to the 1 minute time frame and open a short position in this area on the chart. In this area, the RSI line is at the bottom and the color of the candles changes from red to green. We go to the 1 minute time frame and open a long position. In the following, I will draw your attention to the transactions and positions on the chart so that the subject of compla can fit. I hope I have helped you a little by learning this strategy. All you have to do is practice the strategy and profit. Hoping for more profits and good deals.